Okay, so there's our first Lego thing.
Okay, this was the first Lego. Oh, what's this?
Let's see what it can be.
What's gonna
What is it? It's a frozen swimsuit.
be? Yay! Yippee!
I guess that's for her next time we go to Water World.
What's this?
Just to tell you, we've got Water World here where we live. Whoa! Looks like we have a triple pack Disney's Frozen. Paint your own glitter dough. I think it's basically a snow globe thing. And we have got a Anna and Kristoff doll. Now don't worry, because I also have watched Frozen, so I do know that.
I really like that.
Alright,
A Frozen DVD!
the Disney's Frozen DVD. Okay, so let's put it over here.
Wow!
We've already got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 toys. Okay, from the top. Let's see what we got. Oh, it says create your own design. It says create your own bracelets and bead sets. Over here. It's a shaker maker Disney's Frozen. Oh, see that shake? And this is what you can make. Okay, this a frozen egg.
A Frozen egg!
We can open this later, and are we allowed to eat the chocolate?
Yes, you are.
Yeah!
Frozen. Elsa musical snow one. Alright. Let's do. What else have we got? Any? Ooh, a Ravensburger 3D puzzle of Frozen. It's in 3D. Looks like we have. Come on, take it out, Grace.
Elsa! She sings. Can she?
Whoever, I think that's Spanish. So whoever's Spanish watching this, can you translate that? No, please translate that. Translate that again. But not that. Not that. And translate that. Something big is there. I forgot to do it from the top. Oh, it's something big. Yeah, it's something huge. And nearly got it.
Oh my god, that's something super!
Oh, Elsa's glass slipper.
Dun dun dun. It's a Frozen bubble tea set. And it says, ooh, it looks like you get bubble mixture. Right.
I wonder what.
Ooh, it says fun tiles from the movies Disney, Frozen, and fun tiles. Other Frozen tiles. Another frozen egg. Except this time it's not Kinder. Put it over there.
Oh, lots of frozen dolls.
This is giant. Whoa! Whoa! Alright.
This big and huge and empty.
Alright. Got it. Get it out. We got it! It is a frozen ice palace tent! Dun dun dun! And it says 112 centimeters long. Another dun dun dun! Now we're going to set up the tent and open these eggs inside the tent, and we're going to eat the chocolate. Okay, so got the frozen tent ready. It includes the staircase to our palace, a window, and it is 140 centimeters tall. Look at all the toys we got. Whoa! Now it's time to open eggs. We cannot forget the eggs. Alright, I'm gonna open this one.
I got on.
You got horse.
Alright. Let's see what I get.
I got mine already.
I got
Wow.
another Hans.
Two
It's a
horses.
miniature one. Big one and small one. Oh, look what Grace got. They frozen one. Right.
I can open it. Guys, we got a problem.
Alright.
I can feel it.
Oh, here's that.
There.
Alright. He's got that. Now I like puzzle. I like a more 3D thing. So I decided to get the 3D puzzle. Oh!
Wow, it's really puzzle.
And it has a stand.
Yeah, the stand for it.
looks like it's 1, 2, wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in 1.
5 pictures in one.
See that picture?
Yes.
That
picture of Arendelle, that picture of all of them, that picture at the top, and that picture at the bottom.
Ice and freeze. Okay. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and we'll see you on the next Big Egg video. Bye.